The school mock court debating program is an international, online debating competition. Students will participate in 4 weekly, online lectures. After this, they have 2 final weeks to prepare for the live debate. Lectures are led by experienced, qualified speakers from diverse professional backgrounds. Participants will hear these speakers without knowing which side of the debate they will be assigned to. With this method, students hear a spectrum of arguments. They go into their debate as well informed critical thinkers. Teams are formed with a mix of students from the participating schools. They will either be opposing or supporting the thought-provoking debate topic. Participants are required to submit productions at the debate to validate their team's position. This means supporting evidence, which should be found from reliable sources. Our debate topics cover organ donation, the global economy, the UN, and more. To register, head to the school mock court website.